All great minds run in the same channel to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, Supersize Your Business, and our idiom or expression today is all great minds run in the same channel, or great minds think alike. The proverb, the Greek proverb, great minds think alike. We've talked about that one before, which is why I ran with all great minds run in the same channel. Well, what does this mean? Where does it come from? It dates back to the 1618. It was a part of, I can't remember the name of the person that used it, but it was used then, and then it came up again in 1816 in Carl Theodor von Olin something's history of the unfortunate utopia, or whatever that is. So it's a proverb. It's been around for hundreds of years, but it means it's had an impact on us. Have you ever shown up at an event in the same dress or the same outfit as someone else? Think prom. Have you ever been to an event where you showed up in the exact same outfit as someone else? That would be an example of great minds thinking alike, or people being on the same wavelength. Or have you ever been in a meeting, a staff meeting, or an organization where when more than one person had the same idea at the same time? Whoever spoke first usually got credit for the idea, but it doesn't mean they're the only person that ever had that idea. Excuse me. So how does this fit into growing and building our business? Well, number one, we need to be aligned and consistent as we're making decisions and choices and doing projects and moving forward as we're growing and building and supersizing our business. We need to be consistent and congruent, and we need to be on the same page. We have to have the same vision and be working toward the same goal. But we don't want to fall prey to groupthink where everybody thinks alike. That's one of the most dangerous things that's going on in our media right now, is only one narrative is being spread across, well, America anyway, and the world. And that's dangerous in that everybody starts thinking exactly alike. And when there's only one opinion and one way of thinking, we get into trouble, right? We need people to challenge our beliefs and our thoughts and say, well, is there another way of doing that? One of my most dreaded lines in corporate America was, well, that's the way we've always done it. When you ask somebody, well, why are you doing it this way? Or why is this? Well, that's the way we've always done it. That is, like, to me, the beginning point of where we start digging deeper and looking into something, because if that's the way we've always done it, it means we're not responding to the changing world, and we need to take a look at that more closely and see if that's something that needs an update or a little bit of a shine up to change and make sure that we're moving in the right direction. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression, either great minds think alike or all great minds run in the same channel. I would probably say all great minds run in the same river, but I guess channels were probably how people traveled in the past or something, is where and why this originally came up. I mean, a lot of the things that we say and a lot of the expressions that we use are like this one, hundreds of years old, and so they have a really fun and unique history behind them. And that's part of why I do this. I look these up and look at something every day, because it allows me to learn something new every day, as well as understand how might what other people are thinking and feeling and how they see things be different than the way I do, and how does that impact the way I see everything and build and grow my business. So it's just a reminder to have a different perspective, or to look at things from more than one point of view or perspective, to be a better person, be a better human, be a better leader. So any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another mental well-being related for the month of March idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it to grow and supersize your business? Have an awesome day. Bye.